Hey there YouTube people, so today I'm going to be doing a video on what type of fish food you should feed your fish. So first I'll start with tropical fish. This is Tetramin Plus Tropical Flakes. Tropical fish like tetras, semi-aggressive fish, community fish, they all eat this. Cichlids could also eat this. And my cichlids and all my fish really like this. Then for bottom feeders like cory cats or crown loaches, I feed them omega-1 shrimp pellets. They're just little pellets. They're diving pellets, so they sink to the bottom for the bottom feeders. And these are flakes, by the way. And for my cichlids, I feed them omega-1 cichlid pellets. They're the small pellets, and they're high in protein, but I would not recommend these fish for cichlids that need a high veggie diet, because it's about 35% crude protein. So now for algae fish, algae eaters, like suckerfish like these, I feed them algae wafers. They are sinking small little pellet circles, things like that big, and you feed them at night because they are nocturnal eaters, and that's what I feed them. And lastly, for goldfish, I feed omega-1 goldfish flakes. I don't really know much about this. They're rich in omega-3s and 6s. Yeah, that's what I feed my fish. I like to see in the comments what you guys feed your fish, so please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.